let me go get my camera. Shit.
This is why people die. It's because we stand around taking pictures of it.
No, whatever. I can't believe I don't have my camera.
I know, of all times.
Videotape this shit. Sorry to interrupt. I just thought this was a picture of me. Did you see that?
What is that?
Dude, it could be military shit.
Totally good.
It's like over and over and over.
Yeah, but there's no noise. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
You should turn off the lights in the house.
Turn
that
your
right?
lights off. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Hold on.
What the fuck? Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be some good pictures to learn. I'll have to
You're like, did
try.
that really happen?
Holy shit. What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
That's something. That is not normal.
Dude, you can feel the static electricity in the air even without hearing it. Like, I could feel it anyway.
The camera's not picking good.
Oh my god. So shiny.
I know.
10-shot thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a shot.
Oh god, that's right.
Oh, wow.
Wow.